Good morning everyone. I hope you all are doing good at your home and you're enjoying vacations. So yesterday we were on lesson number 8, Murali becomes a good boy. So everyone open your book, literature book, Roots and Wings, page number 102, 102, 102, 102. We have completed our 2 exercises. Take the correct option and fill in the blanks. I hope you must be thinking that today it's Thursday and we should, according to the timetable, we should start with our grammar portion. But that grammar portion is very lengthy and I have to explain when you will be in front of me. Okay, when you will be before me, then I will explain it to all of you, because that will take time to understand. I have to explain it clearly to all of you by asking questions from all of you, that you all have understood that topic or not. So that grammar portion I will cover on when your schools will be open, then I will complete that portion, grammar portion. And in this online classes I will be completing all the lessons of Roots and Wings literature portion, English literature. So Thursday, Friday and Saturday in online classes I will be teaching literature, Roots and Wings only. Is that clear to all of you? Yes. So lesson number 8 was Murali becomes a good boy. You all know that how mischievous Murali was. He cut the rope of Sangeeta's goat, and that the goat ran away. Then he broke all the clay pots of Ramya, but when he was alone and he fell down while bringing up that ripe mango, who helped him when he fell down? Sangeeta helped him and she gave him medicine and food. And then when Ramya got to know about this, she also brought some ripe mangoes for him. And after that, when he got hurt and they all helped him, then he realized that they all are very good and I was the mischievous boy. And then he thanked both of them, Sangeeta and Ramya, and he became a good boy after that. After that, he became a good boy. So we have completed our 2 exercises. Take the correct option and fill in the blanks. Those who have not done, I have uploaded the picture of these 2 exercises on that one option is there, study material. There I have uploaded these two exercises. You can go there, check there and complete it in your notebook. Yesterday I gave homework that you all have to do lesson number 8. This take the correct option and fill in the blanks in the notebook. So I hope you all have done that, because I completed these 2 exercises here also. So I hope you both have completed these 2 exercises in the notebook, Roots and Wings notebook, because when you will come to school, I want these 2 exercises to be done in your notebook. So now moving forward to next exercise, that is exercise number C, write true or false. Write true or false. So the first question of true or false is, Murali always helped others. Murali always helped others. So you tell me, Murali always helped others or he always used to trouble others? Yes, that is false, because he did not used to help others. He used to trouble others. So first one will be false. First one will be false. Next, the villagers said that Murali was a good boy. The villagers said that Murali was a good boy. So was Murali a good boy? He used to trouble others. He cut the rope. He broke all the clay pots. And when villagers used to go to their parents to complain against him, they also used to deny, because they were not aware of this, that Murali is not a good boy, and they used to say that my child, my son is very good. He is a good boy. He cannot do such things. But the villagers were very angry at him because he used to trouble them. So the villagers said that Murali was a good boy. Was he a good boy? No. So this is also false. Murali was not a good boy. Third, one morning Murali climbed up a mango tree when he was alone. So one morning when Murali was alone, he climbed up a mango tree. Yes, one morning when his parents went to the another town to see the doctor, to consult the doctor. So what did he do? He climbed up the mango tree to bring some ripe mangoes. Then he slipped and fell down. So that is true. Our first question, Murali always helped others. False. The villagers said that Murali was a good boy. False. One morning Murali climbed up a mango tree when he was alone. True. Okay, I hope it is clear to all of you, and you do it in your notebook and book also. So now let's come to the next exercise, which is answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. So for this, I hope it is clear to all of you. I will also share this PDF to all of you so that you can complete your work. So first is lesson number 8, Murali becomes a good boy. Murali becomes a good boy. First question is, answer the following question. Our first question is, what did Murali's parent think about him? What did Murali's parent think about him? What did Murali's parents think about him? Answer is, Murali's parents thought that he is a good boy. Murali's parents thought that he is a good boy, because they did not used to believe to the voice of villagers. They used to think that Murali was a good boy. So what did Murali's parents think about him? Murali's parents thought that he is a good boy. Our second question is, what happened when Murali climbed the mango tree? What happened when Murali climbed the mango tree? When Murali climbed the mango tree, he slipped and fell down. When Murali climbed the mango tree, he slipped and fell down. He slipped and fell down. When Murali climbed the mango tree, he slipped and fell down. Our next question is, what did Sangeeta give Murali when he got hurt? What did Sangeeta give Murali when he got hurt? When Murali got hurt, what did Sangeeta give to him? Sangeeta gave medicine. Sangeeta gave medicine and food to Murali when he got hurt. Sangeeta gave medicine and food to Murali when he got hurt. Sangeeta gave Murali medicine and food when he got hurt. Sangeeta gave Murali medicine and food when he got hurt. Who brought mangoes for Murali? Who brought mangoes for Murali? So who brought mangoes for Murali? When Ramya came to meet Sangeeta, and then there she saw that Murali is lying down because he has fell down. He has fallen down. So she ran back to her home and brought some ripe mangoes for Murali. So who brought mangoes for Murali? Ramya. Ramya brought mangoes for Murali. Ramya brought mangoes for Murali. Ramya brought mangoes for Murali. Okay, so I hope this is clear to all of you. All these 4 questions are clear. What did Murali's parents think about him? Murali's parents thought that he is a good boy. What happened when Murali climbed up the mango tree? When Murali climbed up the mango tree, he slipped and fell down. What did Sangeeta give Murali when he got hurt? Sangeeta gave Murali medicine and food when he got hurt. Who brought mangoes for Murali? Ramya brought mangoes for Murali. So I hope this lesson is clear to all of you. Today's homework is to complete true and false and answer the following questions in your notebook. True and false and complete answer the following questions in your notebook. And this PDF I'll be sharing with all of you, which will be on that study material option. It will be there. So I will be sharing this PDF to all of you. I hope you will do it.